Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is fixing phase and polarity on a multi-mic drum kit using Nugen aligner. Here I have a completely unprocessed drum recording, but as soon as I bring Nugen aligner in, I get a noticeable improvement, especially in the low end on my kick and snare. So all I have to do is put a liner across a group of drum kit mics or a group of guitar amp mics, and I have separate groups here that I can assign accordingly. And then all I have to do is run the audio and hit align. Now once aligner has made its adjustments, so sample delay and polarity inversion where appropriate, I can go in and flip things manually or put in manual delay offsets as well. I can do those. You'll also notice that I've got two separate channels for my overheads, and that's so that Nugen aligner can make any adjustments arising from spaced pairs. But right now I'm going with it as it is, and it's making a noticeable improvement. To read our full article and to find out more about Nugen aligner, head over to the Production Experts blog.